Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP is getting closer to that ideal target for the C wave that we discussed in yesterday's video. Remember that we talked about that XRP is still in this ongoing, quite complex correction. There is no impulse at the moment visible anywhere here, so I have to assume that we will go down further. That doesn't mean we necessarily will, but it means we should. Okay, there's a bit of a difference there. And however, the point, we always need to know the level when we have to change our opinion, and that will be the break above 55.8 cents. So if the price breaks above that level, then I have to change my opinion. Then I have to assume that either a more significant three-wave correction is playing out into the region of 63 cents next, or that maybe even some kind of a diagonal is playing out here that could even send us higher. But 55.8 cents is the invalidation point for this wave count that I have on the chart, because any break above this wave A will invalidate the triangle as I have it on the chart, okay? So at the moment, the perspective is that we have here a triangle that is basically a B-wave triangle. B-waves can unfold as triangles. They're very, very difficult to forecast, but so far it's sort of following the triangle count. A B-wave here would result in a C-wave sell-off. But the B-wave would be a so-called ABCDE structure: A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, and E wave. And it would form lower highs and higher lows. And basically, the idea is that, okay, the triangle will break to the downside into the expected direction with a break below 45.9 cents, 46 cents. Then we have the confirmed break to the downside, and it should go below 43 cents. The final target I will only be able to give you once we have a confirmed completion in place of the triangle. So when the triangle is broken, basically. Then, obviously, there are a few more waves to do in this triangle, A, B, C, D, E, yeah? And at the moment, we might be in the C wave. C waves are very often complex corrections, yeah, in triangles. The C wave, if one wave is a complex one, then it should be the C wave. That doesn't necessarily mean it needs to be long. It just means it's most likely a complex correction. In this case, a WXY. A WXY structure is a more complex correction than an ABC structure, because it consists of basically three ABC structures. So where the wave W is an ABC structure, the wave X is one, and the Y wave as well. And in yesterday's video, I gave you an ideal target for the C wave, which is 53.8 cents. Doesn't mean we really have to get there, but it just seems sort of likely, okay? Just seems likely. And I mean, it might even be forming a corrective price channel here. So let's do white. Let's see if it actually adheres to that going forward. Yeah, a bit of a price channel there. And I might actually, so like that. Just something to observe, right? Where if that breaks to the downside, we might have confirmation that we move in the D wave into the D wave, which should form a higher low. Now, the wave W, we discussed that. That's probably complete. We discussed here the ABC structure to the downside in the X wave. That's probably complete. And in yesterday's video, I highlighted to you that probably a Y wave is unfolding. And yeah, it did push higher. The thing is, minimum requirements for this Y wave are complete. I mean, we have a complete three-wave structure, right? It's just that the ideal target hasn't been reached. And also we can measure wave W, X, and compare with the Y wave. And we haven't even reached the 61.8 extension. So that's at 51.9 cents. That would be sort of the minimum I'd like to see. Now, I don't necessarily expect this to be finished yet. I have no clear confirmation that it's finished, this Y wave, or the Y wave might be. It's just that the Y wave might not be. Yeah, I have no clear confirmation, because the Y wave itself subdivides as an ABC structure. Okay, this looks very much like a 5-wave move. So what does it tell me? So from an analysis point of view, and please always bear in mind that these lower degree wave patterns, they are very fragile. At the moment, XRP is behaving. Yeah, it's in the mood of following these, but sometimes XRP just turns around, because corrective wave structures, they always transform. So in the Y wave, I would argue that we might have an A wave here. A B wave is coming now, and then a C wave. So I'm labeling that as an ABC structure in wave Y, because the Y wave should be a 3-wave move. Okay. So I mean, I can't, you see distortions on smaller time frames, but at the moment it seems like maybe the B wave is already finished, but there should be a little bit more upside in the C wave as long as the price channel holds. So if we break out of the price channel, I have to assume that this larger C wave is complete. Because we have nice 5 waves in the A wave, so that actually suggests trend continuation, right? I mean, I can label that as a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 in wave A. So we've got 5 waves there, so it suggests continuation, yeah. So yeah, that's my, I have no, as soon as we break above the A wave high now, which is at 51.5 cents, I have to assume that the C wave is running. So yeah, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.